Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to download images and videos for absolutely free. Guys, sometime we require some images and videos to use into our projects or in our videos. So for every time if we invest the money to purchase any images or videos, then it is so costly guys. So for that reason we use royalty free images, and for that we don't have to invest a single penny. So there are two best websites to download the videos, images and music. So open your Chrome browser and come to the Google and search for Pixabay. Click on the first link. Guys, for example, I require some forest images to use into my project. So how can I download it? Here you see, here it is a search bar. Here we have to search it. For example, I can search as forest images, or you can search it as forest. And here you can add a filter also. Here you see all images, and if you want only photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, many formats are there guys. Now I'm just searching for images. Now here you see many forest images are there here. You can see guys, many beautiful forest images are there here. Guys, if you want to download any one of these images, then you can simply click on it, and then firstly you have to log in this website, and after that you can download the images. Guys, firstly you have to look at this content license, that is if you want to give the attribution or not. Firstly you have to check it. Let's click on it. What are allowed to do with this content? You can use this content for free, you can use this content without giving attribute to the author, or you can modify it according to your needs. So we have got to know about how we can use this image. So we go back to this tab, and here you see, here it is a download option. If you click on it, here you see many resolutions are there. So I suggest you to go from this 1280 resolution because this is enough for all the sizes. So select this resolution and click on the download button. Now as you can see here, our download has started. So this way you can download any kind of images, videos, sound effects. So let's go back. Let's go to the home page. For example guys, now I am searching as car, and now guys if I apply the filter, as here you see many formats are there. If you want only photos, then you can go from these options. If you want to see the illustrations, then let's click on it. Here you see guys, this type of illustrations are there. Or here you see, here it is vectors. If I click on it, then all the vector images will be displayed in front of you. See. And guys, one more good thing of this vector images is these images are already background free. If I click on one of this image, then here you see the car background has already removed. You can download it, you don't have to give any attribution. If I click on this download button, and I can download from here. See, let's go back. Guys, here many formats are there. Here videos are there, music, sound effects, GIF. You can explore it guys. So now I am going to show you the videos. Let's click on this videos option. Now guys, as you can see here, I have searched for car. Now I have added a filter as video. So all the car videos are displaying here. Guys, which one you like the video, you can download it. So one more shortcut I am going to show you, that is if you want to download more videos. Let's say if you want to download this video, and you want to download, let's say, this video. So how can you download it? So you have to press on your keyboard as control and then click on it. This video is added into our new tab. Now I will click on this, and now also this video is added into a new tab. So you can download it from pressing the keyboard button as Control and then click on it. Then you have to mouse click here. Now our videos are in the different tabs, as you can see here. So guys, in order to download this, you have to see the attribution, and you can click on this download button, and you have to see the resolution. I suggest you to go from this 1280. Guys, if you go from this highest resolution, then your file size will be very high. So I select this 1280 resolution and click on the download button, and our download will be started as soon as possible. Here you see our download is started, and if I want to see the video, I can go to the downloads page and then I can play the video. So guys, this is the process how you can download royalty free images, videos, sound effects. You can download anything guys. So now I am going to share you another website, and that website is also similar with the Pixabay website. So let's visit to that website. Now I am opening a new tab and then I am closing all the tabs. Now come to the Google and here search for Pixels. See the spelling and click on the first link. So here you see guys, this website is also similar with the Pixabay website. Guys, in order to download the images and videos, firstly you have to log in this website. Then you can download any kind of images, videos, many things you can download it. But the biggest difference between Pixabay website and Pixels is, from Pixels website you can download only photos and videos, but in the Pixabay website now guys, I am sharing you the difference between Pixabay and Pixels website. If you see here, if you click on this filters option, then here you see many formats are there. You can download the photos, vectors, illustrations, videos, music, sound effects, many formats are there here guys. But in the Pixels you see here it is a drop down. If you mouse over on it, then here are two options. First is photos and second is videos. Now guys, let's search for mango, and here you see all the mangoes images will be displayed in front of you. See how beautiful images are there, and these all images are royalty free, so you don't have to give any attribution to the author. So guys, in order to download the images and videos, you have to follow the same process as I have showed you in the Pixabay website. In order to download the images, you have to click on this image, and firstly you have to log in. Here you see the attribution as free to use. If you click on it, then here you see what is allowed to do with these images. See guys, all photos and videos on Pixels are free to use, and you don't have to give any attribution to the author. Let's go back, and if you want to download it, here you see here it is a drop down. If you click on it, then here many resolutions are there. For example, I am selecting as 1280 resolution and click on the download button. Now your image will be downloaded, as you can see here. So let's go back. So as you can see here guys, many beautiful images are there. You can download and use into your projects for absolutely free. So guys, this is the way how you can download any kind of royalty free images, videos, sound effects. So you can explore it and you can download. Guys, hope you feel this lecture very helpful, and guys, try to search some images, videos, and try to download that images into your project. Play around with all the things. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in our next lecture.